We are inserting the worksheet between sheet 1 and sheet 2. We're just going to right click and then I press insert and I press OK. They have told us to rename it as inserted sheet. I'm going to just right click then rename. That's how we rename sheets. They have told us to rename it as inserted sheet. So that is it. Next question. Copy and paste all your work to the inserted sheet. This is our work. Where is it? There is our work. So this is our work. We are going to copy it. You first highlight. I'm going to press Ctrl and Ctrl A and then I highlight the whole work, or you can do that. So that is it. I have highlighted the whole work. Then I'm going to copy. You can right click and then choose copy and then you paste it into the inserted sheet. You can press Ctrl V, you'll be pasting, or you can right click and then you press right click, then that is it. So these ashes, meaning we are going to maximize this, remove them. So that is it. Everything is okay now. Save the work in your registration number in the created folder on the desktop. On the desktop, that one is very simple. I'm going to just ignore it. People, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you can share it with your friend and tell that friend to subscribe. Here we go. Thanks for watching.